Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a group chat on iPhone. If your group messages are full of old conversations and you want to clean them up, this is right here the easiest way to do it. So let's break down step by step. Solution 1. What you're going to want to do first is open the Messages app. Look for the group conversation you want to delete. Now swipe left on that group chat. You're going to see the trash icon. Tap on it. Then tap Delete to confirm. And that's it. Wow, really simple and quick. Anyways, method 2 ahead. Leave the conversation first for a permanent removal. This would help when you don't want to see the group anymore and want to completely remove it. So go ahead and open the group chat in the Messages app. Tap the group icon at the top of the screen. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see Leave this conversation or Delete and block this conversation. Tap on it, then confirm your choice. Once you've left, go after the conversation again on the main screen. Swipe left, tap the trash can, and delete. Okay, method 3 is going to clear it fully from recently deleted. After using method 1 or method 2, go back to the main messages list. Tap on More option in the top right, then tap Show Recently Deleted. Now select that group chat. Tap the trash icon at the bottom left, then confirm, and it's permanently gone. Oh, great! Make sure you check this one point. Leaving a conversation removes only you from the group. Others still stay in the chat. And if the group includes Android users, the Leave this conversation option won't appear. In that case, you can keep it muted by selecting Hide Alerts. That way, you won't get notifications anymore. That's all the ways to delete a group chat on your iPhone. Hope this would help you clean up your messages and make up some space. If you have any other questions, go ahead and ask in comments. Anyways, see you in the next video.